Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new, hello, and if you're not new, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this look right here. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. And I'm going to be starting off with my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm going to be grabbing this yellow shade right here as my transition shade, and I'm going to be putting this in my crease and all over the top of my crease all the way up to my eyebrow, like I do with all my transition shades. And I'm going to grab this other teal shade, and I'm going to be focusing this in my crease. That's why I'm using a smaller kind of a flat brush, but it's a little bit fluffy, and I only want this in my crease. That's why I'm using this brush right here. And then I'm going to be grabbing the same brush I used for my transition shade, and with whatever's left on the brush, I'm just going to blend that out. And then I'm going to go ahead and move into my 35B palette by Morphe, and I'm going to be grabbing this darker green shade, and I'm going to put this in my crease as well, just to define it a little bit more. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to be grabbing the same brush again and blending that out one more time. Now I'm going to be grabbing this dark purple from the same palette, and I'm going to be focusing this on my crease as well. That's why I'm using a pencil brush now, because I really want to keep this only on my crease. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to be blending everything out one more time. And then after I blend it out, I'm going to be reapplying the purple shade one more time, and then I'm going to blend it out one more time again. The key point to colorful looks is to always be blending everything out together and use little product at a time, because then if you don't, you're just gonna make a big muddy mess and it's gonna look really ugly. Now I'm gonna jump into the palette where I have all my Coastal Scents single eyeshadows, and I'm gonna be grabbing this blue one called Blue Hawaiian, and I'm gonna put this all over my lid. I really was looking forward to using this color, so that's why I decided to do this look in the first place, and it looked really pretty. And these eyeshadows are so pigmented and so affordable as well. And of course, my stupid camera stopped filming when I was doing my eyeliner, but this is how it came out. I did two wing eyeliners, one on top of the other. I can explain it to you in another video. If you guys want me to, just let me know down in the comment section. But what I did is I just winged it out twice, and then in the middle of the two wings I put my NYX crystal liner, and yeah, that's pretty much what I did. It was pretty easy. At first I didn't want to do this. It happened by mistake actually, but I love how it came out. So, you know, let me know if you guys want to know how I did it. It was pretty easy. So yeah, you guys, but that is how that happened. And now moving on to lashes, I'm going to be using my Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte to coat my top lashes for fake lashes. And for fake lashes, I'm going to be using my Ardell Mega Volume Lashes in the style 252. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and start smoking out my bottom lash. All I used was the purple shade that I added in my crease, and that is it. I just wanted a simple, smoky under eye, so that's what I did. And then in my waterline, I went ahead and I applied my Sex Kitten eyeliner by Tarte, and I put this in my waterline, but I also used it to tight line. It's one of my favorite eyeliners. It stays on all day and it doesn't run like other eyeliners do. That's why I really like it. I'll be using the same mascara to coat my bottom lashes, and we are pretty much done with the eye makeup. Now for lips, I'm going to be using my NYX retractable lip liner in the shade Nude Pink to outline my lips. This is a really pretty nude lip liner. And then on top of that, I'm going to be applying my NYX matte lip cream in the shade I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's right there on the screen. And then on top of that, I'm going to be applying my e.l.f. lip plumping gloss in the shade Champagne Glam. And I think the lip glosses really made the eye look the whole look come together and really pop. I love this combination on the lips as well, by the way. just looks really, really, really pretty.
One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love and make possibilities. I look like all you need. One kiss is all.
And that is it for this video, you guys. This is the final look right here. I really love how it came out, and I love how I did the eyeliner on accident, but it came out really, really pretty. So if you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you guys like me doing voiceovers. I like doing voiceovers, but if you guys don't really like them, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.